Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video and joining me today for this organizing video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. So as you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be an organize with me video, and the drawer that we're going to be organizing today is my kitchen junk drawer, which I will show you right now. So the drawer that we're going to be organizing is my kitchen junk drawer. And this is it right here. Now as you can see, I have a lot of these blue bins, and I did attempt to organize this. Well, I did organize this about a year ago, but as you can see, it definitely needs to be done over again. So that's what we're going to do today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is grab some little 2-inch Tupperware jars that you will see in a second, and I'm going to start by organizing the phone cords. And I ended up having to use 2 of the little plastic Tupperwares to organize these cords. Now preferably I would prefer to have all the containers and all of the little baskets to be the same color and the same pattern, but because we are all stuck at home right now because of the quarantine, I do not want to go to Dollar Tree to purchase anything, and I don't feel like ordering anything online. I'm just going to go ahead and use what I have around the house. Next, I'm going to organize my 3M strips as well as the hooks that go with them into one basket. Now while I'm organizing my 3M strips and the hooks, I wanted to go ahead and say thank you again for clicking on this video and organizing with me today. If you are a new viewer, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you will be alerted every time I upload a new video, which is at least 3 times a week. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. Now as you can see, I have a lot of random little things just lying around the drawer. I went ahead and I took out a lot of things and put them onto my baker's rack to set aside so I could sort them out after getting everything clear. I also decided to take those 2-inch Tupperware drawers that I used to organize the phone cords, and I'm going to use those to sort through different office supplies. I have thumbtacks, binder clips, as well as paper clips, and I think there was one more thing. Safety pins, that's it. I also had safety pins. So as you can see, the office supplies do come with their own clear plastic containers, but I don't like to use those because they don't close very well. So as you can see, the lids are not clear, so you cannot see what is in each jar. So as you'll see later on in the video, I'm going to go ahead and turn the jars onto their side and lay them down that way so I can see what each container has. Another drawer that I do need to go through is the one that I just opened right now. This is my husband's random tool drawer. It has a ton of screwdrivers and random little tool bits that can attach to the drill. I do need to go through this, but I definitely don't want to tackle it right now because there's a lot in there that needs to be sorted. Now these headphones right here, I'm not gonna put them into any Tupperware. I decided I'm gonna keep them and see if they work, and maybe I can use them to listen to some music when I go for a walk with my son. Now that I'm looking at the way my jars look, I think I'm definitely going to go back into the kitchen and replace that blue top Tupperware with another red one so that it all matches. So I am just opening and closing the drawer often so that I can make sure that everything closes without hitting the top of the drawer. And I did find that I had to remove a couple of things out of their plastic wrapping to make sure that they fit better. For now, I'm going to go ahead and keep these cap lights in this drawer, but I do think that I will be moving them into the utility room so that I can have that space open for something else. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys stayed with me until the end and organized along with me. If you guys are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back next week or in a couple of days for another video. Now, this is the way I ended the video originally, but like I said, I wanted to take out those push lights, which I did, and this is the final product, which I like a lot better. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!